But despite that awful cost,
Get him to the ground. Get him to the ground, please.
Recognize Senator Gazelka.
Thank you, Mr. President. I move that the joint convention do now adjourn.
Senator Gazelka moves that the joint convention do now adjourn. All those in favor say aye. Aye. Those opposed, no. The motion prevails, and I declare the joint convention adjourned. The House will come to order. I recognize Representative Pepin.
I move that the House do now adjourn.
Representative Pepin moves that the House do now adjourn. All those in